Right, this is my third video for geometric progression for grade 11. Today we'll see some more questions, geometric series. So those are new viewers. We learned last geometric series, the pattern of a GP. Grade 11, the grade 10 you learned the AP, arithmetic series. It's the pattern of a GP. First term is A, second term AR, third term AR square, and fourth term is AR cube, 10th term AR power 9. So general term we call Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. It's the general term of a geometric series. We call GP, short form is GP. Okay, today we will see some more questions. I hope to work for your part 2, that grade 11 book, exercise 16.3. Exercise 16.3. I will show for detailed solutions, so better you stop the video and take that grade 11 book, keep with yourself, and you can see the problem there. Otherwise you will read this and find the question answer. So the first question, first problem, find the first term of the GP. So sometimes you don't have the book, write this question. Find the first term of the GP. Find the first term of the GP with common ratio 3. With common ratio 3 and fourth term 108. Fourth term 108. Find the first term of a GP where common ratio 3, fourth term 108. Okay, simple question. You work many harder problem than this. I think those newcomers, please subscribe and press the bell sign. You will receive a lot of my videos. So you can forward this video friends, college and other relations there. If you have all over the Sri Lanka, wherever, you send it and take full opportunity for these quarantine days. Don't know when the school reopen. Can't say the date. Now we are alone. We're keeping safe and work a lot mathematical ideas and mathematics papers, questions. When your school reopen completely, you can syllabus complete and you can go to the other revision type problems. Okay, series. So here we have the formula type. First term is A, second term AR, third term AR square. So fourth term is given 108. So how the fourth term AR cube is 108. AR cube is 108. So you know the R when you put R for 3. R for 3, simplify. So A into R for 3 power 3 equal 108. So find the A answer. So A equal 27, 108. So therefore A equal what? 108 divided by 27. That is what? 4. Simple. It's like a part 1 question, 2 marks. First term is 4, right? Common ratio given, fourth term given, then apply this method. Find the first term is 4. See second question. Write this second problem or see your book. Stop the video and bring that book and see your question. This is page 130 in the part 2 book. Find the first term of the GP. Find the first term of the GP with common ratio half. With common ratio half. 8th term 96. 8th term 96. 8th term 96. Find the first term of a GP, common ratio half, and first 8th term 96. Okay, same idea, you can work same method. Remember this pattern, GP pattern. So here eighth term is given, common ratio known, find the A. What is the eighth term? AR to the power 7. So AR to the power 7 is 96. Now so I put the R value here. So A into R for half to the power 7 is 96. That's all. Now simplify, get the value of the A answer. So the A into completely power 7, 1 to the power 7 is 1. What is 7 times 128 equal 96. So what is A? Cross multiple is, therefore A equal 96 multiple 120, big value. First term is bigger, hereafter is become decrease because ratio half mean reduce, multiply half, or otherwise divide by 2. So multiple, get that answer. Okay, write this next problem. I show the fourth problem in your book. For today is our third question. Question number 3. Copy this. The first term of a GP. The first term of a GP is 5. First term is 5. First term is 5. The fourth term is 135. Fourth term is 135. Find the common ratio. Find the common ratio. So previous two problems we found the A answer. Here A is given. They asked find the R, common ratio. So the idea, build up two equations and connect it. Common ratio is 5. I say first term is 5. I say first equation. But the other term shown that fourth term 135. How the fourth term of a GP, AR cube, right? So AR cube equal 135. So I worked many questions, the video, second video you can see those newcomers, stop and better you view those two and come back to this video. So what the idea here, I said in the GP question, we can build up such two simultaneous equation. Now divide 1 by 1. So second equation divide by first. Second equation divide by first. Second equation AR cube over A equal 135 over 5. Second equation divide by the first. So see A cancel, R cube equal, I divide by 5 or that 227. So in GP lessons problem, you need the indices knowledge properly, then simply you can solve any type of equations here. Simple part here power is 3, therefore show 27 also as a power of 3. So R cube equal 3 cube is 27. Therefore both side powers are equal, bases equal, common ratio is 3. That's the answer. Then you can write the series also. Sometimes they ask write the 5 terms of the series. What the series? First term is 5. Second term multiply by 3, 15. Third term multiply by 3, 45. Fourth term multiply by 3, 135, like that. Right, next question. I show the fifth problem here, fifth question in your book, or here fourth problem. The common ratio of a GP, It's a short form geometric progression GP. The common ratio of a GP is 2 and the first term is 7 and the first term is 7. Common ratio is 2, first term is 7, first term is 7. Which term is equal to 448? Which term is equal to 448? See that question. Common ratio given, first term is given, where 448. The first time we are using that problem here. If you have good idea, knowledge of the arithmetic series or AP in grade 10, the same ideas we use in GP. The formulas only different, letters only different, but the value, idea, the way the answering steps are same, right? So here what the method? First term is there. So what the series here? 7 multiplied by 2, 14, multiplied by 2, 28, and somewhere the 448 available. Where is 448 in this order? So you can't do by multiple, you can catch the answers. So primary work, you can't do that. Yeah, advanced method using the formula. So here you have to find the nth term. Where is this 448? The number term is what? Then go to the formula. What the GP formula? Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. So write that formula. Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. So here A is first term, R is common ratio, N is term, Tn is nth term. N means the nth term means what? General term somewhere available. Here you apply nth term for 448. 448 equal to A is 7 into common ratio 2 to the power n minus 1. So find the n value by solving this integers equation. The first time we are working such problem, we have to study properly how to use it, how to solve this problem. So here see, don't say 7 times 2 14. 7 times 2 is 14. But here 7 is available. No 2 here. Here no 2. Then what? 2 to the power n minus 1, right? Therefore, method of solving, take the multiple 7 this side. 448 divide by 7 is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1, right? Now divide 44 7, is it what? 6 times 7, 42, 2 rest 28 4 times. That's why I mentioned many times you need the good knowledge of integers equation. There's a problem comes separately in integers, find the n value like this. You learn many in the grade 11, that previous books, initial chapters. So what the method here? Base is 2, therefore make this 64 also as a base of 2. So 64 I write 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 equal 2 to the power n minus 1. So both side bases are equal, then powers are equal. 6 equal n minus 1. Take the minus 1 this side, added plus 1, therefore 7. So it's an interesting question, easy problem. Definite question in your exam paper, AP, GP combined, big 10 problem, 10 marks question. So where is that 448 in this series? 7th term, the 7th order that happened, right? That's there. Okay, we'll see another question, the similar type. Write this problem or see your book work. The common ratio of a GP, the common ratio of a GP is 2. Common ratio of a GP is 2. And the first term 1 over 32. And the first term 1 over 32. 1 over 32. Which term is equal to 256? Which term is equal to 256? Same idea. Stop the video, try on. Then later you can see with me my answer and yours, is it tally or not, any accuracy. So Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1, where is 256. So write Tn for 256 equal A for 1 over 32 multiple R is 2 to the power, we don't know what is n. Such a which term problem, the arithmetic series, you will use what? Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D, and we can solve the n term there. Here this don't confuse, don't mix the formula, that is AP, here GP. So now we solve this equation. So multiple 32 256 multiple 32 is 2 to the power n minus 1. So now see, this study always a trick, is simple method to get answer in a short period. Don't use your knowledge of multiplication. They are not expecting your multiple this to what the answer become very big value. No marks for that. Idea here, see, here base is 2. So make this base as 2. Here also base as 2, 256. Everything can be used as base 2. What is 256? 2 multiple 2 times 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. 9 times 2 to the power 9. 32, 2 to the power 5. Equal 2 to the power n minus 1. Therefore here bases are same, integers, rule number 1. Multiplication at the both 2 to the power 14. Integers, if you fail in integers, in this channel you can see grade 9 integers chapter there in this my YouTube channel. Go to and study. 9 and 5, 14 equal 2 to the power n minus 1. Therefore both side bases are same, powers are equal. So here 14 equal n minus 1. So minus 1 take this side, 15. Therefore n equal, where is 256, 15th term. It's the question how to solve such problem. You can check with your answer how this, where you made a mistake or correct it. It's the method. So this my YouTube channel, I'm showing all grades, grade 9, 10, 11 available here. Those you have any brothers or sisters that all advanced combined maths, that is also available my separate channel, Bright Academic Candy. If they go to that link, Bright Academic Candy, I publish many model papers, many revision lessons, those preparing for the forthcoming exams. That also link and link it for them, your brothers or sisters, any other neighbors, right? Those studying advanced level combined maths. Okay, we'll see another question. Write this problem. Practice all mathematics means you have to practice more problem and answer whatever. No matter it's wrong or correct or incorrect, no matter you practice and become a familiar chapter, familiar lesson with you. Those who are interested in mathematics, they can do any other lessons also, Sinhala or Buddhist, that religion or history, science, everything becomes easier. If you work hard in mathematics skills, then all the other proofs in question, discussion, problem become simple. So write this question, which term is equal to 3 of 5 over 9 of the GP with first term is 27, common ratio 2/3. Which term is equal to 3 of 5 over 9 of the GP with first term 27, common ratio 2/3. So some they are fear to work such a problem, fraction. So I'm always saying in this class that fraction දෙකම බය වෙනවා, වෙවුලනවා, අඬනවා, හදාගන්න බෑ. So simple, you can follow the same idea. So I apply the form. It is difficult, you have to love it and work more and more and more. It becomes familiar with you. So this also involving the nth term formula. So Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. Tn equal AR to the power n minus 1. So they ask where is this fraction? So that's the nth term. Somewhere we don't know. Somewhere mean nth term. So write this 3 of 5 over 9 equal A for 27. Common ratio 2/3 to the power n minus 1. Now we solve. Remember one thing, n always how? What are the possibilities for n answer? Can be a positive answer, integer value, whole number. It cannot be a fraction, cannot be a negative. Minus 20th term, meaningless. Or 1.8th term, meaningless. N is a whole number, 100th term, 15th term, 62nd term, like that. Therefore, if you got it a negative answer for n, you was wrong. Decimal answer, you was wrong. Recheck. So how to solve? Very first, this mixed fraction change into improperly. 9 times 3, 27 and 5. 32 over 9. 32 over 9 equal 27 into 2 to the power 2 over 3 n minus 1. So the idea now solving, take this 27 here, this multiplication here, divide. So 32 over 9 and into 27, take this 27 here, right? That's equal to 2/3 totally the power n minus 1. So as I mentioned, the previous problems connected how I worked, how I explaining this simplification is completely numerator 2 below 3. Therefore you have to work the same manner this one. 32 we work many times, 32 the famous number, the base of 2, 2 to the power 5. Also this both convert to 3. So I show here 2 to the power 5. 9 is what? 3 square. 27 3 cube. 2 over 3 power n minus 1. So 2 to the power 5. So here bases are same, multiplication rule number 1 of integers. 3 power 5. 2/3 into n minus 1. That was completely say 2 over 3 totally power 5. Here 5 belongs to 2 and 5, you tell completely power 5. This is 2 over 3 completely n minus 1. So see both sides the bases are equal, therefore powers are equal. 5 equal n minus 1. So take it 6, n equals 6. Therefore in this order, where is that mixed fraction? 6th term, right? 6th term is the fully method. Fractions come no matter, you can use it properly. get the final answer. So if you are well talented, straightly you can write this one. From this step you can jump to this step. This is not necessary. That is depending on your knowledge. If you learn it well, if you're very clear, some part you can minimize. Anyhow, the answer is 6. Okay, right, next my today's question number 6. Problem number 6. Write or see in your textbook. Which term is equal to, write this. Write down the first 5 terms of the GP. Write down the first 5 terms of the GP. With first term is 8, and sixth term minus 256. Another type of question. Write down the first 5 terms of the GP. First term is 8 and the sixth term is minus 256. So already the idea, as I said, they will ask, I said already, write some 5 numbers or 3 numbers or 6 numbers. Then you need the first term and the common ratio. Here 1 is given, first term, we don't know what is common ratio. Therefore the idea, find the common ratio by solving equation. So A is 8. I said first equation. And sixth term, how the sixth term of a GP, AR to the power 5. AR to the power 5 is minus 256. I say second equation. Now connect the board to find the R. How with solving method? Write the A here. Put the A value here. A for 8. Connect the board, substitute. So 1, 2 gives you, put A for 8 here into R to the power 5 minus 256. Now solve and find the R value, then you know what is first term, what is common ratio, then you can list all the term what they are required to write. So take the multiply that side, R to the power 5 divide by 8. Is it multiple divide by 8? So what is that? Power 5 minus, cut this, 3 times C32. So always we use, once you have shown, don't forget the same numbers repeats. So what the indices work here? R to the power 5. So how the 32 minus 32, which number? You know 2 to the power 5 is 32. Then you say minus 2 to the power 5. Is it correct? Minus odd times, minus odd number, odd times, minus multiple 5 times is minus. So there is also minus 32 there for both sides. Powers are equal, bases equal. Common ratio minus 2. Okay, common ratio minus 2. Then write the series. Then write the series. They ask write the first 5 numbers. So first term is 8 multiplied by minus 2, minus 16 multiplied by minus 2, 32 plus 32 multiplied by minus 2, minus 64 multiplied by minus 2, then plus 128. And so on. Here symbol is alternate, minus plus like that. Symbol is alternate. There's a few problem involving this geometric series formula and how to find the A value, how to find the R value, how to write the series, how to find that n term to be determined, to be calculated, as I shown this video.